We're with John Kelly. John is a personal injury attorney in Phoenix, and he's agreed to answer an online question. This question was specifically to your firm, but what percentage of cases do you settle as opposed to going to trial? This question was specifically from Larry. Larry said, I was recently injured in a motorcycle accident. I'd like to make a claim against the driver of the car that hit me, and I'm interested in getting the best settlement as quickly as possible. I know that if the case goes to trial, it could take years before the case is resolved. What percentage of your cases settle before trial, and how long does it usually take to resolve the case?
Well, Larry's smart to have these concerns because it is a situation where these cases can drag out a long time. To combat that, I have a strategy that I use at my firm that works really well, and my settlement percentage rate before going to litigation, even filing a lawsuit, is above 95%. It's probably more like 98% of my claims settle before having to go to filing a lawsuit. So what I do is I make sure that we're gathering all the evidence, the medical records, we're front loading everything. So we're getting all the pieces together in place and not sitting on the case and waiting for the insurance company to take action. And we're taking action right away. And sometimes that means hiring an investigator, getting witness statements, making sure we're getting the medical records in as soon as possible so that we're all ready to go and can put together a comprehensive demand package that includes everything we need front-loaded to make sure that this case is going to settle quickly as possible to get our clients paid. And it helps in a lot of different aspects because once we start doing the investigative work early, we typically know our strengths, we know our weaknesses, and we know what strategy we need to do to pursue the claim and have a successful rate as we do in settling these claims and satisfactorily. So it's something that I think our firm is very good at doing. And it's something that's important because these cases there's a lot of lawyers that will sit around and wait for the claim to, kind of make itself. And eventually they get to the point where the statute of limitations is about to run and they have to then file a lawsuit just to preserve the claim. And once they do that, then they're in litigation and there's more paperwork and the case just keeps on dragging on and on. So it's definitely a very important question that Larry has, and it's something that people who are looking for a lawyer need to ask those kind of questions.
Excellent. Well, if you have any additional questions for John, just post them in the comments section below the video. Thanks for your time, John.
Thank you. You can reach out to me anytime for a consultation at the Kelly Law Team. My number is 602-283-4122.
Thanks, John.